Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Oppo launched their two smartphone. Actually, there are one, but they are two variant: A74 4G and a 5G. So, maybe the launch was not planned quite like this, but either way, the Oppo A74 4G is now official and it's already listed on a two store in Philippines. It's also an app on a Oppo Combadia site. Then there is the Oppo A74 5G, which crop it up in a Thailand. The A74 4G has a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with 1080p plus resolution. At the refresh rate is a standard 60 Hz, but the phone has a gaming mode that boosts the touch sampling rate from a 135 Hz to 180 Hz. In terms of image quality, you get a 100% sRGB and 92% DCI-P3 coverage. The fingerprint reader is built into the display. This is powered by the Snapdragon 662 chipset, which is equipped with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gig storage. In terms that this is the only memory configuration, the chipset runs ColorOS 11.1 with Android 11 out of the box. The 5G version of the A74 uses the Snapdragon A480 chipset, 8nm, instead with a 6 and 128 gigs memory configuration. The 5G modem offers a download speed of 2.1 gigabytes. Another change is that the display runs in 90 Hz with a 180 Hz touch sampling rate. Also, this model claim 100% DCI-P3 coverage. However, this appeared to be an LCD panel, so the fingerprint reader is moved to the side. The Oppo A74 4G pack a 5000 mAh battery, 33-volt fast charging support. The store listing are not super complete, but the leaked poster from a few days ago show that the 54% charging is reached in 30 minutes. A full charge takes 72 minutes. Then the phone is a good for almost 18 hours of YouTube videos with about 10 hours of gaming. The USB-C USB 2.0 is ported, joined by 3.5mm headphone jack, additional connectivity, Wi-Fi, and a Bluetooth with aptics, but NFC is missing. The main camera on the 4G model has a 48 megapixel sensor. On it, it's joined by two 2 megapixel module on a macro. On a deep, the selfie camera is in the front punch hole as a 16 megapixel sensor. Video recording is capable 1080p at 30 fps for both front and a rear camera. The A74 5G takes the added 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera to the rear sporadically. However, the 5000 mAh battery of the 5G version only support 18-watt fast charging. The 4G model is priced around $225 and is currently on a pre-order, with a note that the shipping starts 7 days. You can see on a Shopee and a Lazada. Note, Shopee has a 4% discount. Lazada does not list a price yet. The phone also appeared to the stock in a physical stores as well. The color option are a black and a midnight blue. The A74 5G can be found in the Thai branch of Shopee and Lazada, which is online exclusive. The price is set as $285. The 5G version will be available in the Philippines as well. Though the price is not known yet, it's not quite clear if the 4G version will be available in Thailand. Note that the Oppo A74 4G appears to be identical the Oppo F19. So this is the two good smartphone. One is the 4G and a 5G, but same A74. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Oppo smartphone? I also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.